What up, YouTube, YouTube, YouTube? What up? Oh shit. I don't know what I ran over, but that scared me. It's probably just like a fork. But basically, we are going to a car meet. It's probably, from the looks of it, it's not gonna be too much people out there, but I haven't been to a car meet in a while. So let's get there and see what kind of cars they have, man. I know there's gonna have a few Mustangs and Mopars and V8s and trucks. That's usually what we see in Texas. I'm be the only Speed 6 there, Speed 3, any speed related thing. Might see another homie, maybe one, if I'm lucky. Maybe some VQs, Challengers, Chargers, maybe an SRT. That's generically what we usually see out here. And yeah, brother. Ooh, that's a nice car right there. What is it, a Cadillac? Chrysler something, I don't know, 69 Chevelle? I don't know. I don't know my classics, but shit, that's beautiful. Okay, but basically, on a rant, I'm gonna just show you some cars. Not gonna be talking a lot, just kind of showing you what's out there. And yeah, I'll hit you guys up in a sec.
Xavier Wolf, Bones, we're all counting on you.
I hopped off the ship with the wood sled. You tryna get a hit, you can forget about it. Fall, winter, spring, summer, running back. I'ma smoke it down until I'm through with that. I'm sitting candy, come to call her, she's a color hill. As soon as I pull up, she say I'm full with you. And right before I pull off, she say what's up with you. Baby, I'ma take your best as I can fucking do. I'ma switch a new shawty every blue moon. New moon, same color as my new moon. No LOP, baby, all I do is do. Told her hop up on my ship, I'm finna face a few. Hit the ground, now we running out the jungle with it. I'm smoking 7 different flavors in my wood, bitch.
What up, man? How's it going?
See the color switch. And you can see it in my eyes, I ain't passing it, passing.
You boys are ran from around here, are you? Walk with caution on these grounds.
I'm a sex legend, that razor can beat a weapon. Let it save the poison, we're touching you now, vetted. Rise from the wreckage and bring them the unexpected. Off the hook like Jimmy, I break the record, no special. They tryna scream like they little, they tryna flow like they rapping. They doing neither while we doing anything we imagine. We became legends at a time when we was broken. The alley was smoking blunts of trash, living